How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and welcome back to another Golden and a Taco. We haven't done one of these in a while, so we're gonna go kind of do some stuff today. And the title of this video show, we're gonna do that also. But starting off the video right. Hey Colby, what are we doing today, buddy? You gonna say hi to everybody? You being camera shy? He's almost 4 months old. Next Friday, he'll be 4 months old. Little fluff ball. Hey, we have a 4-month-old child now.
I know.
No, don't act lazy now, buddy, because we're going on a ride. You never sleep in your bed. All right, let's go on a ride. Little man's doing a whole lot better in the truck. You still have nothing to say, Colby? The fans want to know. Okay. He's not very talkative today, babe. All right, so we just got done with PetSmart. Little man got another toy, because the kid definitely does not have enough toys in the toy box at all. Did you like PetSmart? Yeah, I get stuff when I go there. All right, now we're gonna go to do the part of this video that y'all clicked on. All right, boys, we are back at a spot that I filmed the video at. Is the subdivision they're putting in over here. So this is where I'm gonna teach my fiance how to use the full drive system in my truck. And before I get into that, I just want to make one thing real clear real quick. 95% of you understand this. The 5% that want to make jokes or make fun of, she did not grow up in a household that was automotive savvy like me or anything of that nature. And plus with the winter we had last year, and now she's driving my Taco more than me basically because I have the company truck I've got now. This is something good for her to know and learn. And plus, all you guys out there say that you won't let your significant other drive your truck, either you are a very miserable person or you don't actually have a significant other, because that's not fair. If you have a significant other, let her drive your truck. Colby's gonna be helping out during this, so okay, babe. So first thing you want to do is when you sense that you're going to lose traction, what you want to do is turn off traction control to turn on the LSD, which is your limited slip differential. So press that little squiggly thing right there, and then your lights will come on. It says traction control off, auto LSD on, and collision control off. Don't mind the little exclamation point right there, guys. We have to take it in for an oil change anyways. So then you can put it back into drive. And you can do that one on the fly too, babe. You don't have to have it in park or neutral to do that. So you drive forward. And what this does, it just helps out the rear end. It kind of senses when you're losing traction, and it'll help you go forward. This is what I used throughout the snow, unless I was in full drive. This is what I used. And you can drive. You're really not supposed to drive with this on after 35 miles an hour, but you can. All right, so we'll pretend now that say you're starting to really slip and you need full-wheel drive. So what you can do is come to a stop with the truck in either neutral or park. You can put it in park. Okay. Take your little dial right here, full drive, and switch it over to 4 high. Turn it the other way. Okay. Now you have to have keep the LSD on. You have to have that on when you do this. It helps out the full drive system. You don't have to, but it helps out a lot. So now put it back into drive as it's blinking, and then it will lock itself in. Nope. See how it stopped blinking? Now you're locked in a full drive. So all 4 tires will now get traction. When you turn, does the steering wheel feel a little heavier than normal?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that it's pushing you and it's clawing your way through. So now you're in full drive. So say it gets really, really freaking bad. Like I'm talking deep snow, you're sliding everywhere, everything like that. What you want to do now is come to another complete stop, put the truck in park, and you want to push this in and turn it to 4 low. So now you're in 4 low. So let that lock in. Put in neutral. Now you're locked in. So you gotta go to neutral, then drive. My bad. Now you can creepy crawl. Don't go fast. Don't go more than 10 miles an hour with this on.
So I can't do a burnout.
No, you cannot do a burnout. But this allows you to really this is a low gear ratio, which allows you to really crawl through this stuff. See how it's really slow? Yeah, that's what this is for. Is when it gets super bad and super technical. This is what I'm used for. Okay, now you want to take it out. So come to a complete stop again. Put it back into neutral. Now push it in. Turn it to 4 high. Make sure it locks in. And then now at this point you can also turn it back to 2-wheel drive if you want to. So just now you can put it back in drive, and now you're in 2-wheel drive like normal.
So now can I do a burnout?
No, you cannot do a burnout, babe. There's no burnouts in the Tacoma. It's not made for that. Now you're back in normal 2-wheel drive like you would normally drive. What's that for? Okay, you did a burnout. In dirt, I guess.
I can't do a donut?
No, do not do a donut. This is top heavy. No.
Why not?
because I don't want to lose my child in the back either. He's asleep. He doesn't care. All these neighbors around here are like, what the hell is this Tacoma doing? Now I gotta clean my truck.
Yeah, it's fine.
So that's how you do the full drive. Do you think you can do it now?
Yeah.
All right, so come to a stop and show me how to do it. Okay. What do you do first? Okay. Go to park. Yep. Okay, what do you do second? Nope. Turn traction control off. Okay. Now you can switch it to 4 high. This helps out the full drive system. You don't have to do it, but it helps. Don't go into 4 lane of the world, go into 4 low. So now put it back in drive and you're in full drive. That wasn't so bad.
No.
Alright, now put it back to 2 wheel. Okay. You put it back. Now, to turn off traction control from 2 wheel, because if you go into 4 low, it turns traction control completely off, and it'll turn it off. Just press that button again, and all those lights go. Now you're in normal 2-wheel drive like you're driving down the interstate. Kolby could give 2 craps less right now. That wasn't so bad. Good job, babe. You did good.
Thanks. Knuckles, Kolby.
He's sleeping.
Thank you.
Alright, guys, we're gonna head back home now. Are you hot, Widow Man? We're gonna head back home, okay? Oh, big yawn. So that was pretty much do it for this video, guys. That was like a kind of quick little short Kolby and a taco video. But like I said, it's good to teach your significant other how to use the stuff in your truck. 'Cause you never know when they might need it. Like we have this freak snowstorm. So I know if she's at work with the taco, that she can get home. So I don't have to worry about trying to go rescue her and stuff, which is nice. So we're gonna head back to the house, and thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. New channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.